Hey guys, so if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're having trouble with this worksheet, Evaluate It. So we're gonna read the directions and then I'm gonna walk you through number one. So the directions say, one meaning of the word evaluate is to find the value of an expression, the number that the expression is equal to. So notice that all of these are expressions, so I'm just gonna use the single work mat, not the double one, because I don't have two sides of an equation. As a team, use lab gear to evaluate each expression below. First, build the expression and simplify it if possible. Record the new expression. So I'm gonna build number one. So I'm building 3x plus 2 plus 5x plus 7 plus 2x. Now I need to simplify it, it says. So there are no negative options, so I don't have any zero pairs I can make. And I can't use the subtraction property of equality because there aren't two different sides of an equation. So the only thing I can really do is combine like terms. So I'm just gonna put all the x's together and all the ones together. And I'll simplify this. So what this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x. Plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I recorded the new expression. Now I need to replace each variable piece with its number of units. I need to record the new expression and find the total. So when it says replace each variable piece, this is an x piece, and x is a variable. So I'm going to replace each x with a certain number. If you look at number 1, it actually tells you what x is equal to. So I'm gonna replace every x with 2, okay? So every x I see, I'm gonna replace it with 2. Every x I see, I'm gonna replace it with 2. Just gonna keep doing that. Okay, and then since this is 5x, I want to make my life a little bit easier. So this is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So to make this easy, I'm just going to replace it with 10 because every x is worth 2. Okay? So I replaced each variable piece with its number of units. Now I need to record the new expression and find the total. So I guess what you would record for the new expression would be what all these individual pieces are, but basically all together this is, let's see, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So when I evaluate this expression for x equals 2, then the value of this expression is 29. Make sure you put a circle or like a box around your answer so you can clearly tell what the answer is. Okay, so that's how you evaluate an expression if x equals 2. Now all your other options are y equals 5 or x equals 5, or this one has both x and y. So you're going to need to do the same thing for all of these. Once you get to number 5 through number 8, all of these require no lab gear, which is good because if you had to build x squared with lab gear and replace it with 5, that's going to get tricky. Or fractions, if you have to build it with lab gear, that's going to get tricky too. So these you are not using lab gear, but all that you're doing is replacing the number or the variable with its number. So anywhere you see an x, you replace it with 5. Anywhere you see an x, replace it with 5, and then you can evaluate each of these expressions, okay? So good luck. If you have any questions, ask the people around you. You guys work together. Thanks for watching. Bye.